What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money with video editing. Even if you're just starting out, even if you don't have clients yet, and even if you don't think you're that good. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand something very important. Video is king right now. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are pushing video harder than ever. Businesses, influencers, coaches, real estate agents, e-commerce brands. Everyone needs video, and most of them don't want to edit it themselves. That's where you come in. Method number 1, freelance editing. This is the fastest way to start making money. You don't need a huge following. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need basic editing skills and a laptop. Start by learning one editing software and get comfortable with it. It could be Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Pick one and stick with it. Then create 3 to 5 sample edits. If you don't have clients, make fake projects. Download free footage, edit it like it's for a real YouTuber. Add captions, music, sound effects, zoom cuts. Make it engaging. Now you need clients. Go to platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, but don't rely only on them. The real money is in outreach. Go on YouTube. Search for small creators with 1,000 to 50,000 subscribers. Look at their editing. If it's basic, that's an opportunity. Send them a short message. Hey, I love your content. I made a short sample edit from one of your videos to show how I could improve retention. Would you like me to send it over? Short, simple, direct. If you send 20 messages a day, you will get replies. Not all of them, but enough. Method number 2, short form content editing. Short form content is exploding. Reels, shorts, TikToks. Creators are posting daily. Many of them record long podcasts or YouTube videos and need someone to turn those into short clips. You can charge per clip or per month. For example, 10 short videos per month for $300 to $1,000 depending on your skill level and the client's size. If you land just 3 clients at $500 per month, that's $1,500 per month. From your laptop. Method number 3, niche down. Instead of being a video editor, become a specific type of editor. Podcast editor, real estate video editor, gaming editor, YouTube automation editor, short form growth editor. When you specialize, you become more valuable. If you're the real estate video guy, agents will trust you more than a random editor. Method number 4, build your own brand. Don't just work for others. Post your edits on TikTok, post tutorials on YouTube, show before and after transformations. When you show your work publicly, clients start coming to you. You become the authority. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. At the beginning, it's not about being the best editor. It's about being consistent and reliable. Clients care about 3 things. Do you respond fast? Do you deliver on time? Do you make their life easier? If you do those 3 things, you will keep clients. Now let's talk about pricing. If you're a beginner, start simple. Maybe $50 to $150 per video. As you improve, raise your prices. Don't stay cheap forever. Once you have results and testimonials, you can charge $300, $500, even $1,000 per video depending on complexity. And remember this, you're not charging for editing. You're charging for attention. You're charging for retention. You're charging for growth. If your edit helps a creator get more views, more subscribers, more sales, you are worth way more than an hourly rate. Final advice. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. Reach out now. Edit now. Post now. Video editing is one of the best online skills you can learn in today's economy. Low startup cost, high demand, unlimited upside. If you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, you can turn this into a full-time income. And maybe even a business. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.